Welcome back. Real quick, raise your hand if you have ever posted something on LinkedIn that you are genuinely proud of. And you got maybe 6 likes, 2 or 3 genuine comments, and then it disappeared in the void. The frustrating thing is that you were not posting bad content. It's just that you didn't know how the LinkedIn algorithm works, how it decides what to show to the people, and definitely you didn't know how to make someone stop mid scroll and read what you wrote. So today I'm going to fix that for you. We will learn how to write a LinkedIn post that gets seen, gets read, and gets people engaging.
Let's first understand what LinkedIn actually rewards. Before we talk about writing, you need to understand one thing. LinkedIn is a professional social network, which means its algorithm is designed to show content that sparks professional conversation. It rewards posts that get early engagement within the first 60 to 90 minutes to prove your post's worth to the algorithm. So if people like, comment, or share your post quickly after it goes up, you get 3 times more reach as the LinkedIn pushes it to more feeds. If it sits there silently, it gets buried. Additionally, 70% of LinkedIn content is consumed on mobile, so the format matters as well. This means your job isn't just to write a good post, your job is to write a post that makes people want to respond. That's the whole game. Now, how do you do that? It comes down to 5 things. The 5 element formula. The 5 elements of a LinkedIn post that get seen are the hook, short lines, a real point of view, real value, and a conversation starter. Let's understand them one by one. Nail the hook. The first line is everything. On LinkedIn, only the first 1 to 2 lines show before the see more button cuts off. If your opening line doesn't stop someone mid scroll, they will never read the rest. A great hook is one of 4 things: surprising, counterintuitive, relatable, and bold. Try something like, I got fired from the best job I ever had. Here's what nobody tells you about that. That tension, that open loop is what pulls people in. The next element is write in short lines, one idea per line. Most LinkedIn is read on a phone. Dense paragraphs are invisible on a phone screen. Break your writing into short lines. Write in short rhythmic lines. Break your ideas apart. Give them room to breathe. This creates a visual momentum. The reader keeps scrolling down instead of bouncing away. Think of it less than essay and more like a poem. Moving on to next, share a real point of view, not a safe observation. The posts that go viral are never the neutral ones. They are the ones where someone says something they actually believe, even if it's a little uncomfortable. Disagree with popular advice. Take a stance. Be specific. Your unique perspective is the one thing nobody else can replicate. As an example, generic observations like networking is important generate nothing. Counterintuitive claims like most networking advice is completely backwards generate conversation. Next comes deliver real value, teach, inspire, or tell a story. Every post should leave the reader feeling like they got something: a lesson, a framework, a perspective shift, a story that they can relate to. Ask yourself before posting, if someone reads this in 45 seconds, what do they walk away with? If you can't answer that, rewrite it. Moving on to the final element. End with a conversation starter, not just thoughts. Comments are rocket fuel on LinkedIn. The more comments you get early, the more reach you get. So end your post with a specific question that earns a response. Not what do you think? That's too vague. Instead, try, has this ever happened to you? Or what would you add to this? Till now, the theory is great. But let me show you what this actually looks like in practice. Here's a post that uses everything I just described. See what's happening. The hook sets up a contrast in 2 opening lines. There are short sentences, a clear point of view, a real insight, and a specific question at the end that invites people to share their own experience. That's the formula in action. Moving on to the most important piece, and that is the consistency, where most people drop off. They write one solid post, get some traction, feel good about it, and then disappear for 3 to 4 weeks. Then one more post, then silence for a month. You don't need to post every day, but 2 to 3 times a week is the sweet spot where the compounding effect kicks in. Your follower count grows, your posts start reaching more people, and your name starts showing up in feeds of people who don't even follow you. So, what is the practical tip? Batch write your content. Once a week, sit down and write 3 posts. Schedule them using LinkedIn's built in scheduler or a tool like Buffer. Done. You stay consistent without burning out. A real takeaway. LinkedIn visibility isn't about hacking the algorithm or posting at 8:07 a.m. on a Tuesday because some blogs said that's optimal. It's about showing up as human being with something real to say consistently in a format that's easy to read and hard to ignore. Use the hook, write short, take a stance, deliver value, ask a question, repeat. Do that 10 times and I promise you will see your visibility grow. This video helped you, drop a comment and tell me one thing you are going to do differently on LinkedIn this week. I read every single one. Like if this was useful, subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in the next one.